Welcome back and congratulations on securing your copy of the Covert shirt theme. Now I know you're keen to get inside and start building your first t-shirt store, but before you continue we have a one-time special offer for new members only. This is optional, but you will only be presented with this offer once, so please pay attention. This is your opportunity to put your t-shirt store profits into overdrive with the advanced features of the Covert Shirt Store Builder Pro plugin. This professional WordPress plugin has been designed specifically to work hand in hand with your Covert shirt theme, making it super simple for you to come up with fantastic new t-shirt ideas, create those new designs in just minutes, and post them straight to your t-shirt website and your Screen.com store. The Covert Shirt Builder plugin grabs high quality images, quotes, song lyrics and ideas from Google, the IMD movie database, Urban Dictionary and more, so you can take these ideas, turn them into unique new winning designs and quickly add them to your t-shirt designs to sell for higher profits. Now let's take a look under the hood so you can see for yourself just how easy this is to use. Here we are in the admin area for the plugin, and you can see that the initial setup really is simple. Just add your Screen username and your Screen password and click on Update Settings. The next thing we need to do is set up a campaign, so let's head over to the Campaigns page. You'll notice I already have a few campaigns set up, but let's click on Create Campaign so you can see how easy it is to set one up for yourself. First of all, simply give your campaign a name and then decide on the keywords that you want to search for. Now it is worth noting that the more specific and targeted you keep the keywords, the more targeted the results you'll get. Then you simply choose the sources from which you want to pull your inspiration. You've got Google Images, song lyrics, IMDb, the movies database, search quotes and Urban Dictionary. I'd actually recommend keeping it to just 1 or 2 sources per campaign, and if you need to, set up extra campaigns for each source. That way you'll end up with more choices and you'll discover which sources of ideas are best for each niche, each keyword, each topic. And another quick tip, if you are searching on Google Images, it's well worth searching or narrowing the search down for PNG files, because that format tends to have a transparent background for the image, which works better with colored t-shirts. Now for this new campaign, I'm going to use the classic term keep calm and carry on. So I'm going to pop in keep calm as the identifier name for the campaign, as well as the search keyword. Now for this one, the source that's most likely to come up with some good ideas for me is not going to be Google Images or song lyrics or even movies. It's most likely to be search quotes or Urban Dictionary. So I'm going to leave both of those ticked and click on Add Campaign. Having saved our new campaign, we head across to the Find Designs page so that we can actually search for new designs for that particular campaign. And this really is as simple as clicking on the button for Find Designs next to your campaign. It does give you a little warning that it could take a little while, but it really does run quite quickly. There we go, it's already brought up some results for me. Now if there are a lot of results returned, then down at the bottom you will have the option to scroll through the different pages or skip straight to the last page. So as you can see here, I've got 5 pages of results. Now if I scroll back up, you'll also notice at the top here we have the option to look up our previous results for other campaigns simply by choosing something from the drop down list. For this particular example, it was a Google Images search for the Pokemon Go campaign. And for the next step, we simply head across to the Create Shirts menu option, where we can see our previous campaigns, and from the drop down list I will choose Keep Calm. Now the principle behind these design ideas isn't for you to use them as is, but for them to get your creative juices flowing and spark new ideas for you to use. For example, this one at the top, I spotted the word counts in it, and although it's not related to this particular quote, it sparked in my mind a memory of the show in the UK called Countdown, and I thought of the phrase keep calm and keep count, which could be a t-shirt aimed directly at fans of that show. So basically just scroll through reading the different quotes and the different ideas, looking at the images that it comes up with until you come up with your own great idea that is unique and new, because that's always going to sell better than something that's already been used. Now somewhere in amongst all these there is an idea or a quote that sparked the idea in me for an acting based Keep Calm t-shirt, either Keep Calm and Take Two or Keep Calm and Break a Leg, which is the one I think I'm going to go with. Now I'm just going to choose any of these, whichever one you choose, click on create and it takes us into the option to now create our new t-shirt. And as you can see, it's pulled in the text from that particular design idea, but what I'm going to do is highlight all of that and paste in my Keep Calm and Break a Leg over the top of it. I'm going to pop that in, let's put that in the dad category. I'm also going to put that in as the title, Keep Calm and Break a Leg, and in the shirt description and in the tag as well. Now these bits are quite important, both the title, the description, and indeed the tags, as these are going to appear both in the post on our blog and on our screen.com store description for the t-shirt as well. So make sure you put something interesting, useful and specific in there, something that will be picked up on people's searches for that particular t-shirt topic. Now most of the rest of the settings that we need to deal with here are fairly self-explanatory. For instance, in our shop we choose the category that we want to add this to. Now, I haven't actually got one that's specific for Keep Calm at the moment or dad humour, so I'm going to just add it to my geeky maths one for the moment. Then we select the type of apparel, so I'm going to go with a unisex t-shirt, then type the particular type of t-shirt. Let's go with Bayside unisex. Decide whether the design is going on the front or the back of the t-shirt, then decide on your font and your font color. Let's go with black. We're going to have a white t-shirt, not a black t-shirt. Let's change that to white with black text, and let's change our font size to 9. Then we've got our actual text. Obviously you can play around with that as much as you want along with the other settings. Once we're happy, click on generate preview and it will create our t-shirt preview for us. There we go, Keep Calm and Break a Leg. If we were working with an image design idea instead, the process is exactly the same. We simply wouldn't need to put in our text. You still choose the settings that you want. Now let's scroll down and check that we're happy with the design. If we are, simply click on Create Shirt. It will ask you to confirm. Click on OK. Now this is creating the blog post within our t-shirt site itself and is posting that t-shirt to our screen.com store for approval to publish on our store as well. Hence the warning sign at the top here. The post for our new t-shirt created on our blog will be as a draft format to start off with. It won't go live until we get confirmation back from screen.com that they've accepted or approved our new t-shirt design. Obviously they need to make sure your design isn't infringing upon anyone's copyright or trademarks. Once the Covert Shirt Builder gets that approval notification from screen.com, it will go ahead and set your post to live. You also, of course, have the option to click on the button to select or upload a file, so you can upload a design from your local computer, or indeed you can choose a file or image from the media library within WordPress itself to make sure that you can add any designs that you've had done for you or that you've done yourself locally. So by now you can see just how powerful Covert Shirt Builder is combined with your Covert Shirt Store theme. It makes it super quick and easy to come up with new t-shirt ideas and designs and to create those and have them up for sale on both your t-shirt store and your screen.com store in moments. Remember, you get all 5 idea search modules, including Google Images, search quotes, song lyrics, the IMDb movies database, and the Urban Dictionary module as well. You also get our easy to follow, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder video tutorials to make sure you get the absolute most out of your new Covert Shirt Builder plugin. And we include free lifetime updates so you'll never be left behind. Right now, the Covert Shirt Builder plugin is on a special limited time launch offer at a huge discount. And just for this launch, we're including multi-site and site flipping licenses so you can install the plugin on as many of your sites or your client sites as you want, as well as flip your stores for super quick profits. But you need to act now. The price will be going up again very soon, and the multi-site and site flipping licenses will be removed. So please scroll down and grab your copy today, and we'll see you on the inside.